And then when you want to create a estimate for this particular customer, you go here, open quote. So it'll bring here to this particular quoting screen. Even here, you have a feature which I noticed you haven't used. What I mean by that is you have created this estimate, this quote. However, you did not hit this plus save button. Instead, you just moved on. The difference is, see, right now in the story, there's no office copy. But if you click on that save button over here, I'll just click on that save, and then I go back into your story. Now you can see it added a summary over here, and it also attached an office copy for your reference. So the idea of this is, let's say you provided an estimate for 2 blinds, 2 shutters. The client only wants to go ahead with 1 at this moment. And if you hit that save, it'll maintain this information as well for you in the future.